Diva dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be here with you dolls. It has been a while. I have been in quarantine and chill, and much like you dolls, I've been doing nothing but eating and online shopping. So, long story short, I am here today to share with you what I picked up from Zeelool. I did partner with them and I picked up a couple of pair of new glasses, and I wanted to share with you what they look like, how much they cost, of course my coupon code. So if you are interested in what it is that I picked out, stay tuned. Okay, so I just want to show you what it looks like. These are how the glasses came. You can have a bigger case like this one if the glasses are really big. This is really good for the sunglasses. They're pretty protective and they all have plastic as far as the way it arrives. Now keep in mind, your package may take anywhere from 2 weeks to a month to get to you. That has been I guess they're shipping because I believe this company is overseas, but let's just jump right into the first pair. So I love these glasses. If you've been watching my previous hauls, you know that I adore clear framed glasses. These ones are really cute because they're rimless, but they're rimless on top. And then they have this bling detail, which it's really cute. It doesn't take a whole lot to make these glasses stand out, but I think they're really girly, and the details I think make them really amazing. Now for the next pair, I wanted to get something really big. These ones are statement glasses. So if you want to make a statement, you want to take that risk factor, you'd want to do so with big frames, especially ones this color. So I do appreciate the two-tone color. Whereas you can see it's a plastic frame, but it's kind of see-through. So I'm hoping you guys can see that. So this is like a tawny color. Not heavy at all. I guess one thing that I always try to talk about is the comfort of the glasses. So these ones, even though they're really big, they're pretty comfortable. So again, I'll put the links to everything down below in the box. Also, my coupon code with Zeelool. So far, this is about my third haul with them, and I find that all their glasses are really affordable, and they also are very durable and pretty good as far as accurate with the prescription, because I do wear contact lenses and glasses, and these ones do have prescription. Now this particular one just shows you all the options that you have on the website. So these are very festive. You could definitely rock these for any of the holidays like Memorial Day, 4th of July, if you just want to show pride for your country. But these are really lightweight, they're inexpensive, and they're fun. So I just want you guys to know that on this website, you can kind of choose based off of your preference of the frame size, and then also of the material, and then also the design. So you don't have to be boring, you don't have to be safe. Think outside of the box. Now these glasses are really different. I really don't think you can tell on camera, but these are kind of see-through. Like the frame, they're pretty fun. So what I wanted to do was show you the actual color. If you can kind of see, you can kind of see through the frame a little. It's like a plastic clearish teal color. So I really hope that color is showing up on camera. These are super lightweight. Again, really big glasses, and they're fun and they're bold, but they're not too heavy, because if you're like me, you need glasses to see, which means you'll be wearing them all day. And these ones do not seem to hurt. So again, I absolutely love the website for their selection. And if this video is helping you out, leave a comment down below. Also, tell me if you've tried Zeelool before and your favorite pair of this haul so far. Now, these ones are probably my favorite. I thought the clear ones were going to be my favorite, but these ones are my favorite because they are so just feminine. Like, I love the gold detail. I wear a lot of gold. I match my jewelry off of the glasses that I wear for the day. So I love that I can wear my gold with this. The red detail on the front and the back of the ear arm I think is really cute. It has a little gold squares on the front. I'm trying to get a zoom in here. But these glasses, again, are very trendy. I think you will get lots of compliments. And this one, again, is my favorite of the entire haul. Now, last but not least, I had to pick up this pink pair. I really appreciated the cutout design on the side of the glasses. I also appreciate the gold detail that's all along the rim of the glasses. And then I think the color pink, obviously, is just really girly and really pretty. So a lot of these glasses you can see right on their website, a full front, back, side view. I'm hoping this video is going to give you guys a bit of an idea of the selection that's available. Now, these ones are a little bit more traditional with the nose piece. So that's the only thing I can think of. These may be a little uncomfortable because of that, but they're worth wearing because they're super cute. Okay, Diva Dolls, so again, that is it. I have partnered with Zeelool again in the past. I'll put the links to everything down below in the description box that I picked up today, as well as my coupon code, because you dolls know I gotta save you a little coin. But if you shopped Zeelool before, please leave a comment down below. Let the other Diva Dolls know what it is that you think about it as far as your experience. May experience really long shipping times, but I don't think that's a whole lot to be concerned with compared to the quality glasses that you get. These are super durable. They're super cute and they're very affordable, especially compared to going to your traditional optometrist. So again, I recommend it. If you don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, please stop what you're doing. What are you doing? And make sure you do that. My name is @ChryssyTheDoll. Also, I did start up a TikTok, and now your girl isn't one of those teeny boppers. I don't know how to dance and do all of that stuff, so please, please, please bear with me. But you can find me on TikTok as well, and my name is @ChryssyTheDoll. Make sure also, if you don't already follow this channel as well as my fitness and my vlog channels, please be sure to do that. I just dropped a new vlog video not too long ago, so go over there, subscribe, also leave me a comment, let me know what you think. But I appreciate all the love and support, and I will put the details to all of my channels down below in the box. I hope you are all staying safe. Please, please, please follow the guidelines. Wash your hands, wear your mask, do your social distancing. I appreciate being here as a resource for you dolls. I love doing this for you. I want to thank you so much for your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.